Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to talk a little bit about garlic. And garlic, at a certain time in its life, is going to start sending out a seed top. Now this is going to actually, normally I catch these a little bit quicker, but as with everything, if you're not paying attention, things creep up on you. And I just happened to walk by and I seen that my garlic was going to seed. Now, this seed top, if you leave it on here, your garlic bulb is not going to be as large as it normally would be. But don't think that because this comes out that there's not a use for it. This is what they call this is a scape, garlic scape. And garlic scapes are used in cooking. You can use them just about like garlic as far as cut them up and cook with them. And what you need to do as soon as you start seeing these, in fact I like to get them when they're smaller, just like this big, but you just go in here, down here close, and just snap them off. Now what's going to happen with these plants is they're going to focus all their energy on making that bulb big. Now this is elephant garlic, and elephant garlic tends to do this earlier. Now I have some other varieties of garlic down there, and they're not doing this. Eventually they'll start to put up a seed top, but it'll be much later. So what I want to make sure is that I go through here, and now that I see that they're starting to seed, is go through here and start making sure I pull all these off to ensure that I have the biggest bulbs possible. And what I'll do is, now these are way more than what I can eat, but what I'll do is take these and an excellent garlic flavor. I'll take these to the farmer's market, and I'll continue to let my garlic go ahead and grow. But anyway, just this quick video, let you know, keep an eye on your garlic if you're growing garlic. Make sure you snap the scapes off whenever they start coming out. Don't throw them away. They're, like I say, they're good to use. They just won't store like garlic. So you're going to have to either use them up, you might freeze them and use them that way. But go ahead and make sure you don't waste them, and make sure you get them off there so you'll have a good crop of garlic. If you like this video, and you want to see more, just hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up, and of course share my video as always. Happy gardening.